Hello and welcome. My name is Vickie-Marie, and for today's practice we're going to be exploring our box breath. Our box breath is a counted breath of 4. 4 on the inhale, pausing for 4, exhaling for 4, and pausing for 4. For some of us, we may feel quite confident and comfortable counting in our mind's eye. Others may feel more comfortable using their fingers and thumb. If you'd like to explore today's breathing invitation, beginning to come to a comfortable seat, that might be cross-legged, legs may be staggered, and just beginning to ensure that the spine is comfortable. Maybe softening or closing the eyes. If we do close the eyes, just ensure we're not tilting forward or leaning to a particular side. Taking a round of breath through our nose, if that's accessible. And choosing whether you want to count in the mind's eye, or again using our thumb and fingers. Taking a full round of breath. And on your next inhale, counting in the mind's eye or on the fingers to 4. Pausing for 4. And exhaling for 4. Pausing for 4. And continuing at your own breath, own rhythm to the count of 4. Taking one more round of breath. Releasing the count in the mind's eye or on the fingers. And taking 3 rounds of natural rhythmic breath. Fluttering the eyes open if they happen to be closed. Thank you for taking this brief breathing invitation with me today. If you'd like to check out any of my other videos, hit subscribe and like, and I'll see you again soon.